ready to ditch the stock footage and unlock a universe of unique visuals for your YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Leonardo AI to create stunning visuals that will captivate your audience, boost engagement, and take your YouTube game to the next level. First, head over to Leonardo and create a free account. Once you're in, the magic begins. Let's start with generating a YouTube intro in the text-to-image prompt box. Type in a detailed description of the kind of intro you're looking for. Be specific about the style, colors, and overall feel. For example, you could type, "A futuristic cityscape at sunset, vibrant colors, YouTube intro sequence." Leonardo AI will generate several options based on your prompt. Browse through the results and select the one that resonates with your vision. You can generate more options or refine your prompt until you get the perfect image. Now, let's say you want to use Leonardo AI for a tutorial video. You can use the AI image generation to create storyboards. Simply prompt for each scene you have in mind. Then you can upscale it for quality or edit the images further with the image editing tools. Once you've generated your visuals, download them and import them into your favorite video editing software. Now you can integrate them into your video project. Place the intro at the beginning and use the storyboard images to illustrate key points in your video. Don't forget about your outro. Use Leonardo AI to create an eye-catching outro screen with your social media handles and a call to action to subscribe. Consistent branding across your intros and outros will boost brand recognition. By incorporating AI-generated art and animations into your video creation workflow, you can create professional-looking videos that stand out from the crowd. The possibilities are endless. Now go forth and create something amazing.